Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, there's the radar for you, 947. We're starting on a view of our home perspective. Most of the area is still dry right now, but let me zoom in a little closer to show you where we actually do have some of these lighter showers coming through Wayne County, Russell County, back off to the west as you're heading further into south central Kentucky, closer to, let's say, Glasgow, and then back over to Bowling Green. This is very light. All right, this is going to continue to work its way east, northeast. So watch the movement here. It's a slow moving area of some light rain showers scooting into eventually here now, southern Kentucky. And then the northern extent of those goes up closer to, let's say, Henderson, Kentucky, Owensboro, that area. That would be some sprinkles. So this is why I've been telling you all morning that our rain chance today is going to be isolated and going to be light. Now, over the last little bit, the northern extent of this cloud cover shield has started to thin out, allowing some more sunshine to get through. We are going to be hanging on, though. Here's the latest frame, 948. See the thinning of some of these clouds out there, but definitely more prevalent, thicker the further south that you go. Upper 60s to near 70 degrees in many locales out there right now. Richmond's at 70, Lexington knocking on the door there of 70. We'll likely be in the low 70s at 10 with some isolated showers, and then jumping to 1 o'clock up near 80. Again, when I'm saying isolated, we've got a 20% chance here. So there will be spots that are staying dry. Late afternoon, though, we're going to start trending back toward more sunshine as that batch of clouds starts thinning out here, and that's going to boost our temperatures in the low 80s. Here into the overnight we go, though. The warm front's going back north. Rain becomes more widespread after midnight into Wednesday morning. Yeah, this is likely going to be bringing us some elevated rumbles of thunder, elevated storms. So I'm not really expecting any severe weather out of this. Maybe a strong storm, but really this is primarily going to just be general rain and storms. That moves out. Watch what happens, though, tomorrow after lunch. Storms really start firing up toward Ohio. But you'll notice on the front into Kentucky and further south, there's not a lot of activity showing up now. That's been a trend in the last 24 hours that we've seen less storm coverage later in the day tomorrow. And that would mean that what we would see pop up tomorrow in the second half of the day would be spotty. That would be when we actually could see a strong storm, maybe a severe storm in the afternoon. But again, it's looking more and more conditional. Will we be able to get storms to break through that lid on the atmosphere? Something we'll watch. 82 today, isolated showers, maybe a thunderstorm. Again, a lot of us are dry. Most of that rain comes in late tonight into the first half of Wednesday. Thursday's drier. Friday, though, more showers and storms. The weekend, cooler and trending drier.